Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade micro E-mini futures on NinjaTrader. And if you want to do this, you see right here which one you can trade. And please keep these four in mind, because you only will see right here this piece of text when we need to choose for them. So let's keep the E-mini Nasdaq 100 in mind. Then we go right here to NinjaTrader. And then if I click right here on new, and we select right here chart, we can search now for the M&Q micro E-mini future. Because if you go to instrument and go to micros, you see right here at the M&Q June 26 that we can select it. And now if we do OK right here, you will see right here the chart of the micro E-mini future. And if we now select right here on chart trader, we can create right here for ourselves a nice position here on the chart. So this is exactly how you can trade micro E-mini futures right here on NinjaTrader. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.